Hi, the purpose of this video is to do a boots on the ground for the handicapped, people that are handicapped or are using a walking stick like I have to do from time to time. Because we may not be able to put our boots on the ground like everybody else, but we still want to put our boots on the ground. So I'm going to show you all the sitting down version of boots on the ground. Okay? You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Legs up, legs up, legs up, legs up, legs up, legs up. We ready? And then we're going to go march, 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 rock, 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 rock. Okay? March, 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 cross, cross, march. Then we rock. Then we're going to do our fan. 1 time. 2 times, clap. 3 times, clap. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy up, shimmy back. Shimmy up, shimmy back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's do our fan. Clap. We don't got good knees, so we're going to do our version. Come on now. Now do the rock. Do your rock. Do your rock. Do your rock. Now we're going to put our legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy up. Shimmy back. Shimmy up. Shimmy back. We do one more step. Okay. What are fans? Come on, what's fans? Okay. Legs up, shimmy back. Shimmy up, shimmy back. And then we're going to rock. Just when you get out of breath, you just kind of rock. Clap your hands. Okay, y'all ready for the top again? Let's go. Up, 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 shimmy back, shimmy up, shimmy back. Up, 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 shimmy up, shimmy back, shimmy up, shimmy back. Woo, this is a long song, y'all. Okay, that's it. I hope you all have enjoyed the handicap version of Boots on the Ground by KG Beauty with Den. All right. We'll do a part 2 next time. All right.